Hello everyone. The tips you're about to hear come directly from highly experienced technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop. So let's get this issue fixed. When inspecting a heater with this error, what we usually detect is a burner ignition problem. Clients often tell us that the unit tries to ignite and suddenly shuts off, displaying 110. As we technicians explain, this is a safety measure. The system shuts off the gas if it doesn't detect a flame to prevent any risk. In many cases, the cause is an unstable gas supply or low pressure. We've seen clients mention that it used to work perfectly, but lately the unit doesn't ignite immediately. When we inspect it, we often find partially blocked regulators or loose connections that prevent a stable flame, triggering the 110 code. Checking the gas pressure and connections usually resolves the issue quickly. On the other hand, a dirty or faulty flame sensor is also a common source of this error. Some clients tell us that after years of use, the heater starts failing intermittently. As technicians, we explain that the sensor accumulates residue over time, and if it doesn't detect the flame correctly, the system interprets it as a failed ignition. Cleaning or replacing the sensor usually clears the error. Another factor not to overlook is electrical issues. Clients have noticed that the error appears after storms or power outages. At the shop, we always check that the voltage is stable and that the control module wires are secure, because any unstable electrical flow can prevent the burner from igniting and trigger error 110.